At Idaho Power, supporting our communities is a vital part of what we do. And through a new exhibit at Children's Museum of Idaho, our company helped bring a fun, educational resource to Meridian.
We worked with Idaho Power to bring the Power exhibit. We call it Power Up, and it's all about electricity. We have the pioneers of electricity, and we felt that it was important for children to understand how power comes to be with the different forms of generation. The museum's all about creative play, so we have a variety of different sponsors, and their exhibits are interactive, hands-on, so that the children can use their imagination.
Power Up was made possible through a $5,000 sponsorship by Idaho Power, part of our company's giving to charitable causes, which tops $1 million annually.
I absolutely love the Children's Museum. Everything is so interactive and so hands-on, very experiential learning. So again, taking it out of the classroom and bringing it into a facility like this, I'm so proud of Idaho Power for not only sponsoring the Children's Museum, but providing this great little display here that people can actually come in and look at these things, go beyond the classroom and learn about it hands-on.